Sensory play is a fantastic way to engage children in hands-on learning while igniting their imagination. A candy corn sensory bin is a simple, creative, and sensory-rich project that's perfect for any autumn-themed activity. This sensory bin can be a wonderful addition to any sensory calming corner or fall-themed center activity in your classroom. In this video, I'll guide you through creating a candy corn sensory bin that combines textures, colors, and lots of sensory play fun. To create your candy corn sensory bin, you'll need the following materials. Begin by adding uncooked rice to 2 plastic zipper bags. Add a few drops of yellow food dye to one bag and orange to the other, then mix until you achieve the desired color. Spread the colored rice on a cooking sheet and bake at 220 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until fully dry. Let the rice cool before adding it to your sensory bin or tray. Finally, add candy corn and other sensory tools to complete the bin. Now, it's time to enjoy the sensory play. Since candy corn is part of this sensory bin, it's important to supervise young children to avoid choking hazards. Not designed for children under 3 years old. If you're concerned about food allergies or if your child tends to put objects in their mouth, consider substituting candy corn with other non-edible items that are larger. Always ensure that the sensory play environment is safe and suitable for the children involved. Sensory play helps children explore their environment, build fine motor skills, and engage in creative thinking. The different textures provide opportunities for tactile exploration, which is important for developing sensory processing skills. For more insights on sensory processing, consider reading Sensory Processing Explained, a handbook for parents and educators, by Heather Greitman and Charla Kostelik. For more details, click the links in the description below.